Imagine your favorite app suddenly stops working. Frustrating, right? Outdated software can be a major hurdle for organizations, causing inefficiencies and security risks. But how do you decide the best way to update it? Reengineering involves redesigning and restructuring the software without changing its fundamental functionality. This is often used when the software needs significant updates but cannot be completely replaced. Replacing the software involves completely replacing it with a new system that better meets current requirements. This is a viable option when the existing system is no longer effective or scalable. Refactoring improves the internal structure of the software without altering its external behavior. It is used to simplify code and improve performance without major redesigns. Choose the approach based on budget constraints. Reengineering and refactoring can be more cost-effective than replacement. Consider the time and resources available for the change. Replacement may take longer but could provide a long-term solution. Evaluate whether reengineering or refactoring will meet future needs, or if replacement is necessary to avoid future obsolescence. Conclusion: choosing between reengineering, replacement, and refactoring depends on factors like cost, timeline, and future scalability. A thoughtful evaluation of the software's needs and resources will determine the most appropriate approach for maintaining or improving the system. Thank you for joining us.